Let me introduce alphabet H. Patterns. We used to write letter H. Standing lines, sleeping line. Capital H, small h. H for hen. H for house. H for hand. H for helicopter. H for horse. H for hat. H for hippopotamus. H for hanger. H for hive. H for hawk. H for hug. H for hammer. H for honey. H for hills. H for hot. H for hairpin. H for hamster. H for hair. H for hedgehog. H for heart. H for handle. H for hockey. H for heart. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more video.